Oh, Susan, Ria blesses him, gets away immediately, moving up on the outside, Tukmo, and in third for a young instant, Reyes Gold, then comes Hockey Hawk and Real Excellent, and going along for the first turn, Lasasim, Tukmo is on the outside, three lengths, watching them instant, forever young Reyes Gold, Hockey Hawk and Real Excellent, Tukmo takes the lead by Abaraneka. Danori inside is Lazazima. Instance racing in third forever young Reyes Gold. Hockey Hawk and Real Excellent. Tukmo, Lazazim fighting out for the lead. Instant Reyes Gold is on the outside forever young. Lazazim takes the lead by about 3 for Malenka. And on the outside is Tukmo. Reyes Gold in third. Instant is Danori inside fourth forever young. Lazazim, Tukmo, Reyes Gold instant. Moving up down on the inside as they come down to the last 100. Lazazim, Reyes Gold instant is running by the rail. Reyes Gold takes the lead. Instant, Lazazim in the middle. It's now Reyes Gold followed by Lazazim instant. Last 50 meters we have Reyes Gold. Then finally Reyes Gold. Second is instant. Lazazim, Real Excellent, Forever Young, Hockey Hawk, and Tukmo.